Hi friends, today we are having openings from Sun Pharmaceuticals Apex Laboratories. So welcome to Pharma Job Alerts and subscribe to our channel for regular job updates. So today let us start with Sun Pharmaceuticals. Here is a virtual walk-in interview on 16th of this month, that is on Sunday. So the process is virtual, so you can attend it with ease. So here are the openings for tablet production and packaging. The qualification is ITI or Diploma in Engineering, Diploma in Pharmacy, Bachelor in Pharmacy. So with minimum of 1 to 5 years of experience in oral solid doses for manufacturing, granulation, compression, coating, capsule, etc. So the other person is Operational Excellence Tablet, Executive or Senior Executive with B.pharm or BE in Engineering with 6 to 8 years experience. Interested one can send your resume to HR Sun Pharma. Friends, you can also send your resume to the other mail IDs mentioned here in the brochure on or before 13th January, and shortlisted candidates will be given time slots via call as per below for the interview. And let us see the next opening. This is also from Sun Pharma Dadra plant for the positions OSD production and quality control with minimum of 2 to 5 years experience. So who are eligible? B.pharm, M.pharm, B.sc, M.sc and candidates are eligible. So minimum 2 to 5 years experience. So interested candidates can send your resume to the following mail ID given here in the brochure, and shortlisted candidates will be called for interview. So friends, these are the openings from Sun Pharma. Let us see the openings at Apex Laboratories. So they are hiring freshers, especially freshers. All the positions are open to freshers, quality control, quality assurance, production, engineering. So the qualifications are B Pharmacy, Diploma Mechanical or Electrical, and BE Mechanical or Electrical. So here you can see the number of positions also. So candidates should have provisional certificate of batch 2019, 20 and 2021. So male candidates are preferable. So the contact person is the number is given here, that is HR and admin. You can send your resume to the mail ID provided here. So thank you guys, thank you for watching and subscribe to our channel Pharma Job Alert for regular updates.